So guys, right now I'm planning to select Adani Port stock to trade and we'll see how the stock will perform today. And also I'll tell you. Hi guys, subscribe to my channel to never ever miss out any of the learning videos from my channel. So guys, yes, today is 21st of September and the time is almost 9:10 now. So before you see our pre-open market data, let's see how the SGX Nifty is performing. It's 0.32% up today. 17,429 is where the SGX Nifty is trading. And coming to the NSE, let's see how the NSE has opened. It's 0.31% up at 17,450. Advances stocks are 27, declines are 20, and unchanged is 3 stocks. And now let's see the stock which is opening in the most gap up section, that is HCL Tech with 1% up, and SBI Life is 0.98% up. And let's see the stock which is opening in the most gap down section, that is Nestle India with 0.60% down, and Britannia with 0.55% down. So yes, these are the pre-open market as open today. So just in few minutes I'll be selecting the stock and I'll be showing you my live trades, what I do today. So make sure you stay tuned for that. And before that, if you're new to my channel, subscribe to my channel would be amazing. So guys, right now I'm planning to select Adani Port stock to trade and we'll see how the stock will perform today. And also I'll tell you my trade logic in brief. And also guys, I do provide NSE and MCX trading course. Okay, so the course prices are very less and reasonably priced. So if you guys are interested to make consistent profit in intraday trading, you can join us today. So you can go inside the blogspot. The link is in the description below of this video. So there's a lot of clients who has taken our course and now they are making consistent profit. So you can go through all of this earning proof. And if you guys wish to earn consistent profit like this, you can message me on the WhatsApp number displayed on the screen to get in touch with me and to take the course and learn how you guys can make consistent profit like this in intraday trading. So you can watch the video till the end to get all the information regarding this. So guys, right now I'm planning to short sell Adani ports in the market level. So we are short sold now around 751. So let's see how the stock will perform. So guys, yes, just entered short sell on 751 on Adani Ports. So yes, so if the stock goes above 755, the stock might be bullish. And you know the Adani Port is a very volatile stock. So yes, it has come down to 747.50 now. So yeah, I shall quickly book my 4 or 3 points and exit. So I shall exit around 747 at least. So let's see how the stock will perform. So the main reason why I short sold was 751 or 750. If it breaks down, it's a support level, and if it breaks down the stock can go down. So you know the market is very volatile now. The market is at the peak, so let's not take more risk by holding for more target. So that's why I quickly book like 3 points or 4 points and take my exit. Okay, so right now at 749, so waiting for 747. You can see how quickly the stock moved, because Adani Ports is a very volatile stock, because you know the price of the stock is also higher. So that's the reason why we can see most volatile like this. Okay, so not all the stock will be volatile like this. If you pick any stock above 500 or 600, you can see volatility being like this. Okay, but if you trade in 100 rupee stock, 200 rupee stock, then the volatility might be less. So that's why you should always pick a good volatile stock in intraday trading, because we want good volume and good movement in intraday trading. If there is no good volume or no fluctuality, you know our order won't get executed easily and all these issues will happen. So anyways, we are into a trade now. You can see it's going up again. So anyway, we'll wait for our 747 or 746 to come down, and then we shall take our exit. So guys, as you guys can see, the stock middle of 747, and I just managed to take my exit somewhere around there, and this was the profit what I was able to book today in the today's trade of Adani Ports. And yes, the stock was very volatile, as you guys can see, but anyway, I managed to book the profit and take the exit. Like almost 0.5% target is what I booked. Okay, so you can still see even now the stock is continuing to go down. So anyway, we booked our profit, and this was the profit what we was able to book today in the today's trade of Adani Ports. So if you guys wish to earn consistent profit like this and want to learn all these techniques, you can join us now. So I do provide NSE and MCX trading course. The course prices are very less and reasonably priced. You can check all of the details in my blogspot, that is trading0.blogspot.in. The link is in the description below of this video. So many of the people has got into my trading program, and now they are making money consistently, and even the people who had losses are now starting to recover their losses. You can watch all of these things with the earning proof here with the ledgers, and if you guys are interested and motivated to make consistent profit like this, you can join us today. Okay, so once you join us, you will be getting lifetime support and live market guidance also. I'll be teaching you guys personally how you can make consistent profit in intraday trading. Okay, so if you guys wish to stop your losses from today and want to learn how to make consistent profit like this, you can message me now on the WhatsApp number displayed on the screen to get in touch with me and to take the course and learn how you guys can make consistent profit from today. And also, these are the advantages and benefits what you get once you join us. So once you join us, you will be able to earn consistently in trading. I'll be teaching you 95% accuracy, unique and secret strategies with no indicators, and also I'll be teaching you a very good timing and discipline what is needed. Just by spending only 15 to 30 minutes per day, you can make 10% profit on your capital. Okay, that is, you can earn 1000 rupees per day with the investment of just 10,000 only. And also I'll be guiding you with a very good money management system and a risk free trading system. And also, as you guys know, my course prices are very less and reasonably priced. So you guys can go inside my channel and watch all the other videos, a lot of educational videos, strategies, tricks, tips, and a lot of things in my channel. So watch all of these things and subscribe to my channel if you're not subscribed. And also every day I upload like how much profit we made on what stock we traded with the profit proof every single day. So if you guys wish to earn consistent profit like this and want to recover your losses from today and want to stop your losses from today, you can join us now. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. Have a good day. I'll see you in the next one very soon.